Hello, my dear students, and a very warm welcome to our today's math session. In today's session, we are going to start with our problem set 32, which is based on finding factors of the given number. Already we have seen what are the factors and how to find them. Now, today, let's implement that learned thing while solving the problem set 32. Here we have the question. Write the factors of the following numbers. We have to find the factors of the questions or the numbers which are given in the question. Now children, what exactly is a factor? Factor means we have to check that in which particular table or in which particular numbers table do we get the given number. Now let's clear this by seeing one example. The first example or the first question is we have the number 8. Now we have to check in which particular numbers table do we get the number 8. Now in the last session itself we have learned that the factors of any number start with 1 and they end with the number itself. So the first factor of 8 is going to be 1 and the last factor of 8 is going to be 8. So whatever the other factors of 8 are there, they are supposed to come in between the number 1 to 8. Now let's start checking the tables in which we get the number 8. Now as I said, 1 into 8, the factors are supposed to start with 1. So 1 into 8 is going to be 8. So write the first factor as 1 and then the end one as 8. Then after that we have 2. After 1 we have 2. 2 fours are is 8. Then write that 2 and 4 also. Then next comes 3. Do we get 8 into 3's table? No. So 3 is not a factor of 8. Then we get the number 4. Now children, in the last session it was explained when the numbers start getting repeated, already we have here 4 and the same 4 is coming over here. When the digit starts repeating, you don't need to go ahead. You need to stop the process over here only. So what we are going to do, the factors are already in front of us. And what are those factors? See, here we have 1, 2. Firstly, you will come in this way, 1, 2 that we have written. Then you will go in the upper fashion, that is 4, 8. So what are the factors of 8? Those are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now same we are going to apply for the other numbers. The factors of 5 are going to start with 1. The smallest factor is going to be 1 and the largest is going to be 5. Now in between this we have 2, 3 and 4. Do we get 5 in 2, 3 and 4 table? No, we won't get. So what are the factors of 5? It is 1 into 5. That is, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Then let's move to the next question. Here we have 14. Same again. What you're going to do is the first pair of factors is going to be the smallest factor 1 and the number itself. That is 1 into 14. Then what is next? After 1 we have 2. 2 into 7 is 14. Then next we have 3. Then we have 4. Then we have 5 and 6. Do we get 14 in these tables? No, we won't. Then after 6 we have 7. Yes, 7 twos is 14. But already 7 is written over here. So we don't need to go ahead. 2 into 7 is 14. So stop the process over here. And what are the factors? 1, 2, 7 and 14. Then let's come to 10. The first pair is going to be 1 into the number itself, that is 10. 1 into 10. Then after 1 we have 2. 2 fives is 10. Then in 3 and 4 table we won't get the number 10. So after that we have 5. But already 5 is written over here. So stop the process and don't go ahead. So what are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then the next one is 7. 7 comes in the table of just 1 and 7. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Then we have the number 22. The first pair is going to be 1 and the number itself, that is 22. Then after 1 we have 2. 2 into 11 is going to be 22. Then after that, in 3 to 10's table, we never get the number 22. So just the factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Then next we have the number 25. So the first pair is going to be 1 and the number itself, that is 25. Then we have 5 into 5. Children, here you need to take a note. Here, although 5 we are writing it twice, but while writing the factors, each number should be mentioned only once. So while writing the factors of 25, what are those? 1, 5 and 25. Then next, we have the number 32. Again, the first pair will be the number 1 and the number itself, that is 1 into 32. Then we have 2 into 16 is 32 and we have 4 into 8 as 32. Then write the factors in the same fashion, 1, 2, 4 and then it will be 8, 16 and 32. Then the last number to find the factors is 33. Then again the first pair of factors is going to be 1 into the number itself, that is 33. Then 3 into 11. So what will be the factors of 33? 1, 3, 11 and 33. I hope children, everyone has got today's session very nicely and now you will be able to find the factors very easily. If there is any doubt or any difficulty, you can drop it into the comment section and surely we will work on it. And if you have loved today's session, don't forget to like, share and subscribe your own YouTube channel, that is Your Rhythm Nexus. Thank you.